I have a dream, that's all I need. I'll make it happen with some work and belief. Know what I want, so I'll take it on. I've made mistakes, but mistakes make you strong. If I want it, then I get it. Head down, don't regret it. Push myself to the limit. If I play it, then I win it. I'm just saying, I'm just living for today. For a minute, I don't stay, I just visit. Have no shame, I admit it. Looking right at me to see if I succeed, to see if I believe. They're looking up to me. They want the best of me now, best of me now, best of me now, best of me. They want the best of me now, best of me now, best of me now, best of me. They want the best of me now.
So we've just unboxed the brand new Leica Mica Microhub, which is the next advancement in both wide field and confocal microscopy. What makes the Leica Mica Microhub so special is the fact that it contains a lot of first of its class advancements in the field. One item that makes the Leica Mica Microhub so nice to work with is it comes with an item known as FluoSync technology. This basically allows you to do live image acquisitions and live image previews in all 4 fluorescence channels at the same time prior to image acquisition, so that you can see exactly what it is that you're capturing. Essentially, with the Leica Mica Microhub, you've got a wide field and confocal microscope all in one convenient package, and it also offers intuitive user interfaces and very user-friendly workflows, and also offers computational clearing algorithms. It also offers first in its class onboard incubation of all of your samples, and you can control items such as temperature, humidity, and CO2. And it also allows for onboard sample manipulation on the fly, so that it's not necessary to take your sample off the microscope to do any of these changes. Let's show you a bit how it works.
Now, best of me now, best of me now, best of me. They want the best of me.
Right, so I'd like to introduce everybody to our Senior Field Application Specialist, Ina. And Ina is going to show you guys today how easy it is to add something to your experiment while the experiment remains on the Leica Mica Microhub platform. So as you can see, you have a very easy front door which easily opens, and then you have an access hatch. And this easy access hatch allows you on the fly access to your sample without needing to take the sample off the platform. This then allows you not to have to interrupt any of your environmental control parameters, such as your humidity, temperature, and CO2.
I'm staying focused, my mind is open. They start to notice that I'm in motion.
Separations is very passionate about being able to offer the Leica Mica Microhub to African scientists and African labs, and we're very proud to announce that this has finally reached African soil. But if you would like a little bit more information on this, Separations will be available at a number of different conferences where this will be demonstrated, and more information about this amazing new platform and amazing new technology will be provided. You're also very welcome to contact us directly should you wish to have a demonstration on this, or if you just want a little bit more information about this amazing new platform.
To see if I succeed, to see if I believe.